Hey there, it's Amy. I'm the founder of Pretty Purple Door, and I just wanted to take a minute of your time to explain exactly what this Master the Mixed Border Guide and Checklist is. So here we are here. There's a cover, and then I give you a little bit of an explanation about what landscape layering is. And this guide is directly from my ebook called Designing Landscape Layers. And it's just basically the best bits that I could find to get you started in creating this mixed border kind of cottagey style garden. So you'll get little explanation, and then I have this illustrated guide with just 8 simple steps that'll get you on your way to planting it up. You'll have a printable pyramid so that you kind of can understand what types of plants you're supposed to be putting in your border and how many of each. And then I have this awesome Master the Mixed Border checklist, and this is super cool, and it's going to take you through making sure that you have everything that you need and you've done everything right. So that's it, and I really just appreciate it that you're interested. I'm excited to teach about gardening, and if you just put in your email below, you'll get it. It's all for free. I'll send it to you right away.